This is the fastest way to create realistic UGC videos of your designs in the easiest possible way. I was able to create these videos of my designs in less than 10 minutes, and in this video I will show you how you can do it to help you generate more clicks and sales on your designs. And with Seedance 2.0 video generation model now available on Kittl, UGC videos are so realistic that you cannot tell anymore it is AI generated. For print-on-demand sellers, this gives you a much better way to present your product than a static mockup alone. Kittl has a library of these UGC videos and they look very realistic. And if you click on the Use Template button, you will be able to jump in and use the template right away. There are a variety of products in these templates, so I will show you how to use them. And if you stick till the end, I will also show you how you can create your own template with your own character influencer using any product. So let's open this template, for example. Any template has two setups that you can use. The one on the left is if you already have a product in a scene. In other words, you have your own design ready on a mockup, for example. And the setup on the right is if you only have your design but without your mockup. So if you click on this video scene, for example, you will get to see the prompt that was used to generate this video. And of course, all these UGC videos are powered by Seedance 2.0, which creates very realistic results. And it is now available on the Kittl platform. And what we are going to do now is to place our design here instead of the default design. So I'll start with this setup as I don't have my design on a mockup. Monster truck design. It has a white background, very nice design. So with a simple click, I'm going to remove the background of the design. And now I have a transparent design that I can use for this template setup. So what we are going to do is to replace the design with the default one. Just delete the design from the setup and add your design instead. Make sure to place it inside the borders, and then we have our design ready. So if we press on the first generate button, the design will be placed on the product image. So just press on the regenerate button and within a minute you will get the product or the design placed on the t-shirt. As you can see, perfect realistic design on the t-shirt. And this is the prompt that was used to generate the design on the mockup. We don't need to write any prompts. This is just for your reference. And now what we need to do for the next step is to create our video, our UGC video with our design. As you can see, this is the prompt that is used for the video generation powered by Seedance 2.0. You don't need to change anything unless you would like to change the setup or the background, for example. So I'm going to leave it as is and press on the generate button. I got the video after about 3 minutes and it looks perfect.
No cap, this might be my favorite tee right now.
Perfect UGC video with my design placed on the t-shirt and the influencer in the video wearing the t-shirt with my design, perfectly matching the original design without a mistake. And this is how quickly you can generate a UGC video with your product. Now moving on to another template. This time we are going to use the left setup, assuming that you have a design that is ready on a mockup. So I'm going to upload my design with the mockup using the upload button. This is the design on a pink t-shirt. So now I have the design on a mockup. I just need to replace the design with the original product image. So as you can see, my mockup does not fit the mockup image in this setup. You can simply press on the reframe button from the upper menu and expand the product or the mockup image and choose the 9:16 to match the same product image dimensions and press on the reframe button, just in case you would like everything to be smooth. And as you can see, Kittl now is reframing the image and it's going to extend the background to fit the 9:16 dimensions. Now my image is ready. All what I need now is to replace it with the product image and make it fit. Now once again, if you press on the AI video template, you can see the prompt that was used or that is used to generate the UGC video, you can also change the character specifications from a female to a male or otherwise, and also change any shooting step. But I'll leave everything as is, and I'm going to generate the video. Again, it is powered by Seedance 2.0. So just press on the regenerate button and wait approximately between 3 to 4 minutes, and you will get your video ready. And this is the final result. Perfect video with my design. Very realistic looking female wearing the t-shirt with my design. So amazing. This Seedance 2.0 model on Kittl is creating wonders. Now let me show you another example with another product. This time we're going to use this hoodie product, which has a simple text design in the original template. So let's press on the use template. This is the design inside the template, just text. So I'm going to use the text button on the left and get one of the decorated text elements to show you an example of using typography designs. So let's use this blockbuster typography as is, as if this is our design. I like the yellow color on gray, so I'm going to delete the default one and place this one instead. Now the first step is to add this design to the product image, and this is the result. Now we have our design added to the front of the hoodie. Now for the second template, again, make sure that you have it 9:16. You can also change the number of seconds, but I'll leave it on 12 seconds, and you can also switch on and off the sound. I'll leave it on and press on the generate button, and within 3 to 4 minutes you will get your video ready, and this is the final result.
Wait.
Yeah, this is the one for sure.
Very realistic UGC video with the typography design that we used from the text elements on Kittl. And of course, you can download any of your generated videos using the download button. Now, supposedly you'd like to create your own template. You don't want to use any of these templates on Kittl. All you need to do is to have your design ready on an artboard. So this is the design that I'm going to use as a reference. As you can see, it's a transparent design on a green background. So I'm going to change the background to black. Now, what you need to do is to select the board and press on the mockup icon on the left to place your design on a mockup. So I'm going to choose one of the Comfort Colors 1717 mockups. Let's use this one here. So adjust your design to fit the mockup in a nice way. And now we have our mockup ready. All what we need to do now is to select the mockup image and press on this node here and press on AI Video Board, and this will connect the mockup to a video board. While you select your video board, add your prompt. So to get the maximum result, you have to follow the same template structure to get a perfect UGC video. So I'm going to follow a very similar prompt structure that is used in the templates, but this time I'm using a white male TikTok influencer, and to make him look unique, I'm going to add or to ask for a male with blue hair just to make him look different. And I'm going to change the vibe to a beach vibe instead of urban garden setting. So this is how you can change the background or the character. You can leave everything else as is. I'm going to change the audio and feel to beach sound instead of street sound. Now everything looks good. Make sure to have the Seedance 2.0 selected, and I'm going to change the audio to switch it to on, and change the seconds to 12 seconds and press on the generate button. And here is the final result.
No cap, this might be my favorite tee right now.
Perfect video using my design and my own prompt, and with my influencer with blue hair. So that's the full workflow, starting with the design in Kittl, turning it into a mockup, then using the AI video board powered by Seedance 2.0 to generate a finished UGC-style product video. Honestly, what I like most here is that everything happens inside one project, what makes the whole process much faster and easier to manage. So if you want to try it yourself, you can check out Kittl for free, and if you would like to go with an annual plan, you can use the code VIRALVID to get 3 months free. This code is valid until May 25th. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want me to test more AI video workflows for print on demand. Thanks for watching.